can find several programs for researchers on R Upskill, and you can get full access to these, as well as 90 plus other courses curated just for you with an R Upskill membership. R Upskill is the largest collection of learning programs for researchers, and researchers the world over are fast-tracking their career with the R Upskill membership that gives them unlimited access to webinars, workshops, and online courses. Become an R Upskill member today. I'll see you there.
Welcome to this course on how to use the internet to communicate your research better. The internet has changed the way people communicate in general, and more specifically has impacted the way scientific research is communicated. This course will help you understand and learn about the best possible ways to use the internet for the dissemination of scientific research.